Hi friends, if you're just tuning in, here's what you've missed. Jada and I made it to Gregory Beach at Lake Shasta, and my husband Andrew and our pug Buddha came out to join us. And my favorite Vanlife couple, Alex and Nikki, and their sweet girl Lucy also joined the party. To be honest, we've been chilling in this area for 2 days now, and the most exciting thing was this dragon's head in our campfire.
I know you guys see it.
And here's where the story continues. It's a new day and it's time to get started with some coffee before we go explore and gather more wood for tonight's fire. Hi everyone, I'm Brittany. This is my little fur baby Jada, and the star of this trio is Domino, my 1998 self-converted 4-window short bus. I've had Dom since summer 2019, and so far I've put over 11,000 miles on my tiny little home going on solo adventures. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you always know where is Brittany.
I bet you can make syrup though. If it's not poisonous, I want to put her in the middle of it, like a little lily.
Yeah, it just says it's okay. Whoa, jeez. I'll donate later. Yeah, probably. Herbal medicine. No clinical research conducted. There are no drugs manufactured from it. First recommended the plant 2,000 years ago. Believing it's a folk medicine for pulmonary diseases. Leaves were smoked in an attempt to treat lung ailment, a tradition that in America was rapidly transmitted to
dragon for you.
Oh gosh, to burn? Yeah. Gee whiz.
And then Chelsea, I know a guy that would buy it.
You gonna carry it? Ooh.
Ooh, look at you moving it, Jada. You gonna take it back for the campfire? Okay, come on, let's go. Puppy power.
Joke's on you, your bladder is empty. You're just going through the motions and dripping at this point.
Sorry, bro.
No worries.
Come here. Brought wood.
Got wood?
Yeah, but that dog came over. I had to turn on my camera and record.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, and I was like, mm-mm. For liability purposes.
Because I heard some. Ooh. You ready? For some hot fire?
We got that at Tiny Fest, Brittany.
That is cool. Yeah, it's still, that wasn't good. I did it kind of wrong, but there's for you. Thank you.
After breakfast, my husband was able to hang out a bit before he had to leave for home because it was a Sunday and his weekend was coming to an end.
Jada, baby girl, where you go? Hey. You want to get popped? Oh, she do. She want to get popped, son.
matter where you go, always on my mind. And you could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright. You can find me alone in this cold place, no face, enslaved to this place inside. If I'm mystery, I solve like a cold case, and highways disgraced by the state of mind. Drinking strange water, leave a sour taste. Been looking for my soul in the haze crime. Getting kinda dull to this heartbreak as my heart shakes like the winds in the baseline. The good girl goes too strong, straight by the light of the moon.
As we sat around the campfire, we exchanged stories of how van life had changed us for the good. For me, I decided to open up about my past gambling addiction. Can you believe it? Van life was the distraction that I needed. But that's a story for another time. Good morning, my friends. It is my last day out here near Shasta Mountain. I think the city is called Lakehead or something like that, but I'll put it, in the video or whatever. But yeah, today's my last day out here, and it's about 9 o'clock, and Jada's working on her morning nap, and I appreciate that because I was able to make some coffee. And my breakfast this morning literally is going to be some ginger snaps because I just do not feel like cooking. Nope. Yeah, so I'm gonna be here for about 2 more hours. I still need to clean up Dom a bit to get her ready for the road. Because all of us was in here and it's a hot mess. But yeah, I think I'll be leaving in about 2 hours. Let me go ahead and finish my coffee and hush before Miss Jada baby get up. She moved. Hi.
I'm having to wax it. So it doesn't go more. Hey mate. Oh, look, it gets better and better. It's like a dream. This is the best view I've ever seen in my whole life.
Thank you for watching another adventure of mine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if that's something you like. And if I don't talk to you before 31 December, Happy New Year's, friends. Let's crush 2021. Bye.